Steph, and today I am going kayaking with a friend of mine, and we are going from one landing to the other. So I am parked at the bottom landing where we're going to end, and she's going to meet me here, and then we're going to go up to the top landing. And I have brought my two Oru kayaks, the Inlet and the Beach, and she's going to use the Beach, I'm going to use the Inlet. And this is perfect because neither of us have roof rails on our car, so we'll be able to just put them in our car and go between the landing. We're starting out at the lower bridge at the Wakulla River, and we're going to park down. Actually, Emily has a accessible sticker, so we'll be able to park the car all the way down at the landing, and then we'll be able to kind of load up from there. It is $5 to park here and at the upper bridge, so we're going to fill out the little envelope and put that in the car so that we've done that part, and then we will head up to the upper landing. All right, so we're loaded up. Emily's car is at the end. Got everything in the Mini Cooper, ready to go to the first landing. We have made it to the first landing, so we're gonna get all the kayaks out, and then we're gonna head over to the launch spot. Kayaks, and we are ready to begin our fun paddle. I think I left my sunglasses in the car after all of that. Oh my gosh, thank you. So to continue on our story of going from one landing to the other, Emily just remembered when we started that she forgot her keys in my car, which that's not gonna work. So we are paddling back real quick. I actually thought I forgot my sunglasses for a minute, and then Emily's like, they're on your head. So we're gonna run back real quick and grab those, and then we'll continue on our paddle. Luckily, the good news is she realized right at the beginning of the paddle and not at the end. So there is so many positives to that. I have the keys. We also paid the $5 launch fee from this location. We did that right before we got on the kayaks because we almost forgot that. But we are so ready now. Woo! Emily is ready. I'm gonna throw her the keys. Yeah, I mean, it almost looks like a theme park. This is kind of what Silver Springs looked like the whole time, like this. Oh yeah, I see it. All right, we're at the second landing. We got everything in the car. Great paddle. We're now headed back up to the upper bridge to get my car.
Let's do it.
We are back at the first landing. We have moved everything over. It was a breeze, right?
It really was.
Yeah.
It really was. It worked out so well, just having one car, meet up, and go to the other landing, and then...
And we didn't have to fight the current to go back.
Oh, so nice.
Which is
a nice little ride down the water.
Yes, was ideal. So this was your first time in the Oru Beach.
It was.
So what were your thoughts on that?
It was great. I had went in the inlet before.
Mhm.
It was the inlet, right?
Yep.
Probably a few years ago, and definitely a lot more stable than I thought it would be.
Mhm.
And I actually preferred it to like the hard shell, just because I don't know, it was just more comfortable to me. Like the foot, placement was a little bit better, and yeah, I really liked it. So looking forward to using it again.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steph.
And it's so nice because we don't have to have roof rails. Just throw them in the car.
Yep.
So great.
In the trunk.
So your favorite used to be the hard shell.
Yes.
And now it's the Oru Beach. So
Oru Beach, yep.
I think that's a pretty good.
Yes.
I think that's a pretty good review because that's still my favorite are the folding kayaks, even though I've used hard shells. So
Convenient.
So convenient. Really can't beat it. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. This was a super fun paddle, and hope you have a great day.